Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I'm back for another video. This is going to be a gift that I am going to be giving to a co-worker. She is a librarian aide at my school, and I saw this on Temu, and I have the price so that you can see. It was $2.24, so I actually bought it for myself, but I thought that this would make the perfect gift, so I will be giving it to her tomorrow for Halloween. So I'm going to be putting in a couple of things in there. I did buy these. They're like cord holders that you can put for your phone. I don't have an example with me, but you would just clip it. And that it makes a little heart. It's really cute. So these were $1.79 for 10 of them. And they send you random colors, but these are the colors I got. They're nice. Okay, so this is one thing that's going to go in there. And then I'm also going to give her some of these reading logs that I also bought off of Temu. They're double-sided. It's a book tracker. I love to read. I'm not sure if she likes to read, but I am going to gift her these. And I bought these on Temu, like I said, and they're in a set of 50 for $5.19. So I thought that was a good deal. And they're pretty sturdy. I was thinking of laminating mine and using them for my journaling. So that's another thing. Then I'm gonna gift her this. This is actually a video I did some time ago. I don't even remember when, maybe last year or years back. It is a little pocket, and I used the die for this. So this is a recycled paper book page, and then this is also a die cut with a little brown button, and it's got little labels and well, 2 labels, and it came out really cute. Okay, so that's going to be there. So that one was homemade. And then I'm going to put this one in here. This one, I also did a video on this one. This is a recycled packaging. It's like a Tim Holtz. I think I bought either, oh, they were quote chips, such as these this right here. And then these are stamps. And then these are die cuts also from Tim Holtz. And then some more recycled book page. And then stamping. I do have a video of this one that was made years ago also. And I really like how it turned out, and I've just had it here in my drawer, so I figured I would send this to her. I'm going to give this to her as well. And then this is another one that I made. I don't know when I made this, maybe in the summer. It's so cute. It's a little clipboard. So that's just just something cute. Okay, I'm also going to place in here this is just regular copy paper that was coffee dyed. I also did a video on this one that was just stamped all over. Came out really nice, so she can use it as an envelope. And then this one I think I also did probably last year. This is a napkin. This is a label that was stamped on. Also, there's another video for this one. There's a separate video for this one as well. And then this is just a little, I think this is a price tag that I stamped on also. And then I sewed on this, and then this is also recycled cardstock. So that's really cute. She can use it as a tag. And then these are all envelopes. I think I probably got this on Temu also, and I probably did a haul on this also. So all I did was do a die cut, recycled, I think this is Atlas paper, and stamped a sentiment, and then just put an index card in here, and she can use it to give as a money envelope or a gift. Okay, here's another one. I did do a video on this, but I don't think I've posted it. I need to look for it because I couldn't find it. Same thing, this is a very, very tiny envelope. Same thing, die cuts on I'm not sure, this is probably some type of packaging as well. Stamped with a sentiment, and then also, I don't know, I think this is probably index card cut in half or something for her to write a message in there. here is another one. This is a little coin envelope. Love envelopes. Again, more die cuts. This one also is, I think you can see that it's pretty thick, so I don't remember if I did several die cuts and I glued together, or I used thick heavy cardstock. I don't remember. And then a stamp. I don't know if this is a stamp or a printout. I don't remember. I did them some time ago. And then again, another envelope, same thing, another probably half of an index card that was cut. And then again, more die cuts. I think it's probably jelly printed, and then a sentiment right there. So these were all made some time ago here at the house. And then this one, I think I also did I might not have done a video, I might have done a short or something. But this one came out so cute. This one doesn't have anything in it, but I did some stamping and it just looks so nice. I really like this one. I actually did a whole bunch of them, but I'm only giving her one. But they're so nice. Anyways, I really like envelopes. I like buying them. I like recycling them. Okay. Oh no, actually I'm giving her two. Here's another one. Okay, they're really, really nice. I like them. I like how they turned out. So it's just a lot of stamping on the envelope. Then I'm also gonna give her the this is a bought card. You know how they always sell them at Marshall's? Something like this. Yeah. Oh, actually I bought this one at Ross. $5.99 for 50. And all I did was die cut this beautiful typewriter, and then I did layer several of them, and this is book page on top of it, and a little bit of inking, and then the sentiment is just blank, and here's the envelope for it. Okay, and then I'm also going to gift her this. This is one that I think there's also a video on this one. This is bubble mailer, and then this is a book page. So pretty, the page, the book page, the illustration. And I sewed all around it. Like I said, I think there's a video on this. And then a lot of stamping on this one, and some fabric, book pages, a lot of stamping. Came out really nice. It's just been sitting here, and I figured, okay, let me just give it to her. And there's a pocket right here. I really like how this one turned out. Envelope for to put stuff in there. I honestly do not think she's a crafter, but hopefully she'll know. Maybe she can, you know, write notes or use it as a grocery list or something. But I like how it turned out. So that will go into the package as well. And then I'm also going to put 2 brand new pens, because who doesn't like pens, or who doesn't need more pens? And I'm going to put these Jolly Ranchers. If I need to put more, I'll put some more. And then the last thing that I'm going to add is some of these stickers. Some of these I probably got them on Temu. Some of them, I think like this one, I got on Amazon as well. And that's it. I think it's I'm gonna gift it to her as a Halloween gift, because tomorrow is Halloween and I love Halloween. So hopefully she is there tomorrow. And let's see if I can make everything fit in here, because it's the envelope, I mean this pocket is pretty big, but I mean it's big but not like ginormous. So let's see if I can fit everything in here. If not, I might have to take some stuff out, which I'm hoping I don't. Okay, yeah, I think that fit in there. Then the little, this one turned out really cute. I love die cuts. Okay. And then these are bigger than the pouch, but we'll make it fit. Then her stickers. And this cable holder, her pins, and the Jolly Ranchers. And I'll probably make, I got a sticker. I'll probably make a, actually I probably will go find a little dangle to place here. So I'll be right back. Okay, I found one. Put it to the side. And this is what it looks like. I used to make a lot of these little dangles. They're so cute. I'm gonna put this here. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, and I need a tag. Okay, so here's my tag that I'm gonna put with a thread. Sorry, I was out of breath before I was running to go get the stuff. So I think that's how I'm gonna do this. I'll put it through here. I think that looks good. And then I'm gonna write her name. And that's it. What do you think? You think that she will like it? I hope she does. I really like this little canvas bag. So maybe I'll buy one for myself. But I love this. And hope I gave you an idea as to how to give something that doesn't cost a lot of money, and it's going to be something, you add something in there that you treasure, because everything I put in there I treasure for myself because I've done it myself, and I'm hoping that she will like it. And I'm going to share with her the link to this video so she can go watch it, and maybe she'll subscribe, because I'm always looking for subscribers. Okay, thank you so much guys, and happy Halloween, and until next time, bye.